It's easy and fun to create your own stencils at home with the IKONART Stencil Kit. Everything you need is right here in the box. And you can use your own artwork, you can use artwork you found, and you don't have to worry about bridges and all the other stuff you do with plastic stencils. Let me talk about everything you need right here. It starts with the light kit. So you're going to assemble that. That has a UV bulb, and it's specifically designed to make this type of stencil. You're also going to get 2 packages of printer film. One is meant for inkjets, one is meant for laser printers. And it does matter which one you use, but you've got both bases covered right here in the kit. You're going to take your artwork, make it purely black and white, and then print it on one of those films. It looks similar to the one I've done there with the bugs. Then you're going to place that artwork on top of the light stand, first putting down a sheet of emulsion film. Now that comes inside this photosensitive pack here, so it keeps light out. This is where you want to store it, and you want to keep it in here at all times till you're ready to use it. You're going to take that out, put that down first with the emulsion side up. Basically, there's an emulsion layer, there's a very, very fine mesh, and then there's a plastic backing. So you make sure that emulsion layer's on top, you put your artwork on top of that, and then this clear piece of plastic film on top of that. Then you turn on the light for 30 or 35 seconds, depending on which printer you used. When you're all done, you're going to take it off there and wash it. You're going to start with a solid sheet of blue. And then after it is exposed to the light and you wash it, your design is going to magically appear. And it has an incredible amount of detail. Unlike a vinyl stencil, this is completely reusable. You can get 10, 12 uses out of it. And unlike a plastic stencil, you don't have to worry about having little bridges to connect islands together. It means you can have interior parts and exterior parts and incredible detail because of that super fine mesh. When you're done, you've got that stencil, you're ready to use it. You can cut it up and use it in pieces if you want, and you can apply it to practically any surface: wood, metal, glass, ceramic, even fabric. Apply it and put water-based ink or paint through it, peel it off, wash it, put the backing back on, and you're ready to go. There's full instructions in the kit. There's a clipboard that you're going to use to give it some stability while you're washing, even a squeegee to help you apply your ink or paint. Everything you need is right in the kit, and you can get more information at ikonartstencil.com.